Hello everyone, I'm Tom with Stock Navigators and this is the market update for Thursday, February 17, 2022. As you can see that the chart you look at right now is the E-mini SB 500. So you can see the market is very choppy, up and down. It's not really, the market, they found a strong support on the January 24, they push it back up and then they retest the resistance, couldn't make it higher, so they pull back down. So now they at the level of support here again. So as long as they don't fall below this upper support line here, the trend to the bull to be able to find the support and push it back up again. So right now we are at the level of support. So tomorrow probably they will find a way to push it up again, and then we will monitor carefully until they be able to break out it downtrend line here for the bull to resume to the uptrend. Okay, so the market in the short term is still choppy sideways, up and down between this line and this line here. So let's see how the situation between the Russia and Ukraine come up with, and then that will tell you where the market is heading to. So we have enough bad news about the interest rate, about inflation, about the COVID-19, but those things it only factor for the downturn already. So the market only looking for one more stabilized situation in Russia and Ukraine, and then the market will still be able to find a way and push it up again. Let's see where they go. Okay, so look at the Nasdaq. Also, this is the gas. So look at the NQ, as you can see here. So NQ it also failed to make it high. They're a little bit weaker, they pull back down, but they are right at the support. So tomorrow they will find a way to put it up again. Overall trend is still bearish, but we will be ranbound here before we can find a way push it up, and we can see where the market be able to turn around. But overall trend is still bearish, but we're looking for rebound tomorrow here. The Russell 2000 it also stay put it back, but right at the support, so they still hang tight to this level here. So watch out to see if they can hold on to it and find a way to put it up again. The Dow it also pulled back down, but they are right at the support area here. So we'll see tomorrow. Probably they try to find a way to put it up again. If you look at the crude oil is still one of the strongest sectors for the last 1 month and a half. They are doing extremely well since December, and depend on the situation in Russia and Ukraine. But this one here a little bit extended, so be careful. They can look like they are overbought right now. They're looking for some cool back down before they can go higher. Okay, so if you own the oil stock, watch out carefully. Tie up your stop loss. If they drop below here, then take the profits. Okay, if you look at gold it try to punch to the first level of resistance here. So now they hit to the second level of resistance up here. So so the last couple of days here, the couple of weeks here, all to try to put it to the upside. The trend is still up, but they have a major resistance and up to this level there. If you look at the euro, it also put it back up right into resistance. They failed to make it high, they pull back. So so they will go sideways choppy here before they can clear this area here and continue to the upside. If you look at the Bitcoin it pull back down. I think they already found a support. Now they pull the first leg up, so they hit the resistance here, so they pull back, so they will stabilize here and find a way for the momentum to work out to the bullish side for them to continue. The Ethereum it also the same thing. They are fall below, but now they go sideways here, and then before they can work out 32.76 to continue for the bull side. If you look at the 11 sector of the SB 500, you can see that the material sector is still hang tight to this area, so everybody watch out. If it's no war, then this one can hold up. But if something go wrong, you will see that they will break through the support here, and that's where the trouble coming in. So right now, let's hope for the best, and everything will look good. They will find a way up. Okay, communication sector, that's the wicked one. they continue to go lower with Apple and a lot of software stock. They continue to slip it to the downside. Energy, you know that it's still strong there. They still above the support trend line here. As long as they still stay above there, they still bullet, but they are very extended already. Momentum is overbought, so be careful on that one. The financial sector, they failed to make it high. They fell at the sell down. Now they're going to put back. They have some support here at this area here. So let's see if they can hold on to this one and find a way up again. The industrial is also very weak. They have to run by between this level and this level. So very choppy momentum is still in the downtrend, but they have a strong support here. Let's see if they can hold on to it. The XLK, which is the technology, is also weak. They come back down, but they are right at the support. In order for them to continue, they need to hold on here and reverse tomorrow to the upside. But if they take this low, then we will be more concerned. But at this point, this low is very important. They hold up. So if they pull back down, as long as they stay above 152 here, they still have a chance to turn around there. Okay, consumer stable. They pull back down, but they hold tight to the support. Today they try to find a backup. Okay, with the inflation continue to go up, so consumer stable is still doing well. But let's see if they're able to break this level here, or they are still choppy sideways here until they can find the way to put it up in the future. The real estate sector also get hit because the interest rate continue to climb up. Utility still continue to go down there. Healthcare, it also have a trouble to go higher, so they pull back again. So they are right at the support level here, so they need to hold on here to buy back in order for the bull to continue. But if they drop below the support here, then definitely it's more concern that you have to watch out. The XLY is the worst one also. They don't have much momentum. They push it back up and then they come right back down here. But they need to stay about 178 here in order for them to survive another leg down here. Okay, so as you can see here, the energy stock, couple of stocks that we mentioned is still doing well, right? PXD, OXY, so those stocks here at the limited standard. So EOG, right? They still hang there, so you'd watch out. But this is not the time for you to get in, but it's the time for you to manage the risk. So just in case they turn around, you can get out. Okay, BTU, you have some room there. Okay, so if you a lot of stock, they put it back up, like airline, cruise ship, hospitality, travel booking. So they're doing well, but they are a little bit extended, so they need to pull back a little bit, like ESPE, right? So those stocks are still pretty strong there. United Airlines, right? They try to shoot it back up. They hit the resistance, so they need to pull back to build some momentum before they can move higher. American Airlines, for example, they are still choppy, weaker compared to the United Airlines, LUV, Southwest Airlines. Yep, so they are also to have a problem on the downtrend line there. Okay, but a couple strong material to hang around here. They try to find momentum to build up to break out this level. Okay, GLD, gold, still pretty strong, as you can see here. They run it up, but watch out for the next level of resistance there. So right now, look at overall market. We still a little bit choppy there. Okay, but if the situation in Russia get better, they will find a support here and push it back tomorrow. We'll see. Okay, so that's all I have for you on today. So the market is still choppy there, so you have to be careful. Wait for the market to be stabilized before you add on a lot of position. But meanwhile, in the short term, you to be able to trade in the smaller time frame, so that you can get in and get out until the market is completely give you the upside potential that you can stay in the trade longer. Okay, so thank you very much for watching. And beside this, though, if you're busy working, you can subscribe to our Watchlist Premium Watchlist, where we handpick many stocks daily, and if we see the good opportunity, we will analyze in detail with the entry stop loss so that you can follow. Okay, so that's all I have for you. Thank you very much, and then I will see you on the weekly market forecast. And remember, next Monday it's a holiday, so stay cool, and then hopefully you have enjoy the long weekend, and we'll see you next week also. All right, take care, everyone.